Hello, I'm Elias Sokolis, a developer from Greece currently working on games. Before we start, I would like to notify you that you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and other social media. You can find the links down in the description. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my newsletter in order to receive the latest news. Now let's finally start. The story of how I got into programming. For many years now, I wanted to create a game that I could publish, but when I started learning from the official lessons. Then, I soon understood that it is better to start your own project and learn as you progress. So I started my own project and followed many tutorials on the internet for learning C#, learning Unity, and so on. I started with no programming experience apart from a little C++ I had done in the past, so I knew a little bit the syntax of the C# language as it is the same in some cases. I knew also a little bit of HTML, but as HTML is mostly for site creation, it didn't really help me. After, I started watching videos, but I didn't have a clue on how to do anything again. So I started writing some code, but just writing without understanding what I write. So after 2 months approximately, I started understanding the commands and could write some C# on my own. What can you learn from that? So if you are a new programmer who tries to learn by himself or even with a teacher, do not give up. I can assure you it will be difficult at first, but if you really like it, you will persist. After 6 to 7 months of learning and researching C# commands and C# in general, I finally got a little bit the hang of it and I could now write clear C# without researching the internet on how to do things such as spawning systems or bullet movement, for the majority of the time of course. So on the 29th of July, I was ready to publish my own game. I went into the Play console, uploaded my APK file and clicked on publish. The end. No, just kidding. Or am I not? Okay, so on the 3rd of August, after 3 days of Google reviewing my game, I woke up, went to my phone with a lot of curiosity. I opened the app and there was a big green button with next to it a text that said, "Your game is uploaded." I was astonished and very happy, so I went into social media and announced it. In the first day I got approximately 25 downloads along with various shares on social media. Pretty good for a new game, right? And a new programmer, according to the statistics. I can reveal that it wasn't easy at first, but I like to say that if you put whatever goal in your life, you can and should achieve it. That was it guys, so if you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media such as Instagram, Discord. Anyways, it is all in the description. You can also visit my site where I post my devlog there and subscribe to my newsletter. Thank you for being in the Elias community and have a happy new year!